Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now I am going to explain my project. A new algorithm for inferring user search goals with feedback section. Modify title. A novel method for inferring customer query substitution through feedback stems. Abstract. User unclear requests. Different user may have different user search. The reading and analysis of user search area can be very useful in successful search engine weight and user experience. In this process too, user uncleared about the data search engine. This user entered the any query, they get the results. The hackers in we occurred in user search the top list of our process. A framework to disclose a different user search area for a request for to clustering the proposed feedback terms. The feedback terms is nothing but our user click through the links to get the details for our feedback terms. Continue. The feedback terms are created from user click through the logs and can be effectively returned to the data need to the users. The user click through is nothing but user click the link for our data process in this order to our website. In this our exist process to not only created for the access panel, in our proposed to create the access panel to user click through all the data enter the our process. They create pseudocode document to improve the represent the feedback terms to clustering. Pseudocode document is nothing but our user click through the link to get the details for our process. In this process to user analyze the best result for calculation. In this best analysis process is calculating the S rank and all rank process. In the calculation process calculating to classify average perception to calculate the performance of inferring user search area. The CAP is nothing but calculating the average process. In this process S rank and all rank calculating to the merging the total rank. In the total rank is for the our every link data set rating for the our process. In this process too is normally user get the best link and our choose the our process. Now explain the our project flow. This is for our project flow. First one is start, then extract the data extract process. Data extract is nothing but now our select the data set and extract and store the table for SQL table. End user query. The end user query is for the user enter the query like car, hotel, flight. The query analyze process. Query analyze process, the what type of user enter the query process. This is called query analyze process. That similar query later search. The user search the query is similar to the our database search. Then query clustering process. Query clustering process is also called cluster for the our data set. The cluster is for our process is like car, hotel, flight. Then this related link and query content process. Query content process is nothing but the related link to get the all the details for the our process like address, service rank, ratings also called query rank clustering process. The rank method process. Rank method process is nothing but our data has been calculated the S rank and R rank process. The S rank is service rank process. The R rank is rating rank process. Then get the total for the get the all the best result process. Then best result is process is nothing but all the data is get the top 50 rank to and merge the process. The total rank is called merging the all the data. Then finally analyze process. Stop. Now execute my project. Please select the Visual Studio data button, then click the debug process. The debug or F5 button click. The project has been executed. Then just select the select button, then click the data set, then open click. The click the extract button. The extract has been data set has been extract for our system SQL to our system. Then click OK. Then data has been insert successfully button. Okay, this is for our project data sets. This is our data set descriptions. The data set type is query link data set. The number of data, number of columns, number of rows all display in our project. Then click next button. This is for access panel process. This access panel process already remember here username enter and password enter. Then after you can click the new user button. This is another one panel is viewed. This is directors and another one is new user created. Then click the new user create button. This is user details entered. Age is 23. and gender is male, address is West Street, and mail ID is Ravikumar 123@gmail.com. Then mobile number is 98. So then username is, it is main important for the username and the password. This Ravi K123, then password is 12345. City is Madurai, state is Tamil Nadu. Then click the save button. Data has been saved successfully. This is for our access panel home page. Then enter your user ID Ravi K123, password is 12345. Then click the access button. This is for our query search panel. This is enter your three type of queries. One is car, another one is flight, another one is hotel. This is any type of queries enter here. Then click the car, then click search button. The data has been, this is for our best link process for top 3 listers. Then user best link is the second one is, then click the link button. The data has been stored. This process for the every data has been how to create the rating. This process for the user click through the process. Then click the load button. Data has been load process. This is for loading process for the our clustering data. Data has been clustered for 3 type of clustering data. First one is car, and another one is flight, and another one is hotel. So 3 type of data has been clustering. So 3 type of data is displaying in our panel. Then click the next button. Then load data. This type of ranking calculation, this is 2 type of ranking calculation. One is S rank, another one is R rank. The S rank is the calculating for the service rank, R rank is rating rank. This is flight rank calculation process. This is for S rank, and another one is R rank calculate process. In this process too, then click the going to next button for load data 2. This is next calculation process for our clustering process. The S rank and R rank is the calculate for the rank equal to 0.5 divided minimum value. In this 0.5 is all for every data, also calculating process. In this process some delay of timing for process. This is for our hotel process. This hotel process is also called calculation process. In this S rank also for the hotel process. Then click the going to load data 3 process to calculating car type and S rank and also the called process. Then click going to next button. This is best rank calculating process. The best rank calculating process also M plus N. This M plus N is S rank and R rank. Then going to click the service button 1 calculating process. The total rank calculating the few minutes. This is for the total rank for our flight process. Then going to service button 2. The service button 2 click all the details showing for S rank and all. The data has been loaded and calculating for the our process. Then going to click the service. The data has been loaded successfully. Then click the next process. In this process the data overall 3 data has been merged for the our process. Our data for flight, hotel, car also merging for our process. Then load data has been loaded successfully. Then click the merge button. The merge button so also for Q1 and Q2 and Q3. So Q1 is nothing but car process. The Q2 is nothing but flight process, and Q3 is nothing but hotel process. The view data click button. The data has been viewed in successfully. Then click the next button. This is for all the calculation process to finally display the process. Then click the car process. The search button. The data has been stored and updating the rating for the our process. Then click the next button. This is for our query status graph. The query status graph click button is the top 5 service provider has been displaying the our process. Thanking you.